No mind me, hot boy Jet Black God said it is what it is, it does what it does to the kid from up above. No mind me, hot boy Jet Black God said it is what it is, it does what it does to the kid from up above, you know what I mean?
It's the
Mohawk Kid.
Yeah, we get money
like the Start Market.
You know you can't find me in the Forbes magazine yet, but you can find me in the Ozone mag. Yes. No mixtapes, no CDs out. They heard a couple tracks, now the hood wildin' now.
Jet a day mad.
Too bad, so sad. The motto is don't get mad, get cash.
You know what I mean? What happened, pimpin'? Oh yeah, you know. This is what it is right here, man. We run North Miami. R.I.P. Solo. We run North Miami. R.I.P. Solo. You know what I mean? We don't forget, man.
We love you on Bloodline Thick.
Bloodline Thick all day, everything. Blind. We see you, Biz. Big C305 cover. You know now you know 88, man. He does his thing. Holla at your boy.
North Miami Hot Boys is the movement in the hood. This is North Miami. You dig? North Miami Hot Boys is the movement. You dig? Cause we got a lot of niggas around here doing the same thing we doing as far as music and all that go. So we basically paving the way for all the little homies. Yeah, I'm a North Miami Hot Boy. You dig?
That's what it is.
That's the vibe we on. But it's my brother Jet Black and Godson.
All right.
You dig? That's just what it does. But the movement,
you know what I mean?
Like I said earlier. If you're watching this footage right now. And you upset. You know what we want you to do?
What?
We want you to run to your mirror. Run.
What?
Don't trip.
Okay.
Don't look back.
I
need you to run to your mirror.
Okay.
Look into the mirror and say to yourself. Self. I'm a hater.
I'm a hater.
You dig? If you watching this footage right now, you upset? That's a directions. Your boy Jet Black.
I can sign on that.
You dig me?
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? At my people's shop on 6th Ave, you know what I mean?
6'8".
You know what I'm saying? My cousin's CD store right here.
Haitian store.
Haitian store right here, man. Come take a walk with us, you know what I mean?
Là, nous avons Crazy Music. On a filmé tout le bagage. Crazy Music, son store sérieux qui forme pour Haïtiens dans le département là. So, nous avons tout le bagage qui est bon dans la zone là. N'importe musique neuf qui sorti. Venez voir là, nous là. Dans Crazy Music, nous avons le bout.
Haitian store.
Haitian store.
Haitian DVDs, Haitian CDs.
You listen to compa music. Compa music.
Right here in the background.
We here. This is my cousin. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind me, Hot Boy Jet Black Godson, my cousin right here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is. That's a shop right there. We just let New York know that we got shop, compa shop in Little Haiti, North Miami. We here. You know what I mean? It's the man right here.
Crazy Music, 156, no, this 6th Avenue. It's all about Eugene.
Yeah, Crazy Chicken, man. Where I be at, man. You really want to find a Hot Boys, come over here. You know, so you gonna find us, man.
Yeah, eating.
You dig? You know what I mean?
Yeah, take that more than one way. You eat.
What little Haiti got? What little Haiti got?
They got Chef Creole.
You know they got Chef Creole, but I mean,
I taught the Chef Creole.
You know what I mean? But in North Miami,
we got Crazy Chicken.
You know what I'm saying? We got
Plaza on 6th Ave.
680 feet.
Food Giant Plaza.
We gonna buy some sugar cane.
The problem is us.
Hey, what's up, young man?
What's happening?
Buying a sugar cane. How much for the sugar cane?
I like that mohawk.
Oh, you heard what it? Tell him again. Tell him again.
Say it again.
I like that mohawk.
Okay.
You like that mohawk, man? Specialized by
Sparkeezy, baby.
How much for the sugar cane?
Anywhere between $4 and $6 a bag.
We gonna take the $4 bag.
Oh, we in the hood, baby.
We gonna take the $4. Okay, we
$4 bag.
Yeah. Cutting it. He about to cut it up now. You know what I mean? He about to cut up. We gonna give him the bread. You know what I'm saying? So I get this.
You did.
We in the hood, man. You know what I mean? Pay attention.
Good bag. $4 bag.
He does this, you know what I mean? He does this right here. No Miami Hot Boys, you know what I mean? It is what it is, it does what it does. And if you know, you know what I'm saying? Now you see it, you know what I'm saying? Fuego Star ENT, North Miami Hot Boys, K. Holla at your boy right quick, K.
Respect.
Adboy Entertainment, yeah, Adboy Entertainment. I'm in your chest like that. Hey, you already know. Adboy Entertainment, BDPS, yes, we the best.
MySpace.com/NMHBz.
And you will find us.
You will find us. You know what I mean?
Go to YouTube at the same time.
You know what I mean?
Hold up. First off,
let the flag show.
If I could have rewind this shit right now, I would have said rest in peace Solo, first quarter.
First quarter, you already know what it is.
Take that
we really live this life, homie.
That shit stay on there.
Woo! I'm my Dr. Martin Luther King. It's Frankie Solo live from Tongue.
I support the kids. This is all it's about out here. It's all about the kids, so y'all make sure y'all support the kids all over the globe.
It's somebody that I watch a lot, and I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be on internet in the world when I say this. Never met him, but it's somebody that that's spoken. They speak highly about.
Jumpoff Entertainment.
We here, so give up the plate.
And it's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's going down.
R.I.P. Solo. You understand? Rest in peace, Solo. We miss you, bro. You still living right here. You right here with me, man. What's going on?
Rest in peace, Solo. You know what I'm talking about? A good man was about his business, handled his business. I wish he was alive where I could shake his hand.
Haiti, baby. Y'all already know. Big Chubb. Okay. Rest in peace, homie. See how. Y'all already know. Haiti, all the homies. I got you. I'm here. Free my niggas. Y'all already know. Jumpoff for life. Free Macazone and the rest of the world.
Wait around for that ozone front cover. Free Macazone. I'm saying that shit on tape.
Jumpoff present Free Macazone and the rest of the Warriors. For y'all that didn't know.
Free Macazone, all the real. You already know Macazone.
Macazone, that's my Malcolm X.
Free my nigga Solo, but I mean Free Macazone and all that, man.
Free Macazone, rest in peace Solo.
Can't forget my niggas overseas, my dead homies, rest in peace. Nigga love y'all niggas. And we doing this movement for y'all niggas. Y'all already know. Jumpoff for life.
I heard he was a man's man. You know, and it ain't too many mans out there. But how they speak of him, I wish he was alive like a block. You feel me?
I'm sure the boys some love, man.
Rest in peace to Solo, Free Thump, Jump, Macazone, Go-Go, Boy Out, Mushwa, all my niggas, I nigga ain't forget y'all.
Jumpoff for life, Free Macazone and the rest of the Warriors.
Rest in peace, Solo, Thump, Chubb, all the originators.
Free Macazone, rest in peace, Solo. Straight up. We don't die, we multiply for all you haters. Recognize.
Told y'all, right? On YouTube, right? Jumpoff ain't local, we nationwide. Fuck that. It ain't nationwide, we worldwide. Worldwide. Jumpoff. J-Dog is a stamp of approval on this one. Jumpoff stamp of approval. All the G's stamp of approval. Jumpoff is not local, we worldwide. Always.
Yeah, I just reloaded. Fucking whores. Hoes, don't know me and my souls. We got dough, big dough, rolling on foes.
What up, Big Snoop Dogg? Rolling with the Haitian nation. Can you believe that? DVD style. Real gangster shit, man. Like, you understand me? Real good.
Haitian Snap DVD. Shout out to all the Haitian Snaps DVD. Shout out to all my Haitians out there. You know, Haiti stand up, Dade County. You know what it is. Haitians is my people. Haiti, let's go. That's what it is. We global now. So many different breeds of us, nigga. You know, we're everywhere, man. They can't get rid of us if they try to. You know what I'm saying? This for all my Haitian niggas and all my Haitian ladies out there. Haitian Snap DVD. Haitian Snap DVD, bitch. What?
And you know my people quick to Snapchat.
Yeah, man, this is Dean once again, man. Want to give a shout out to Haitian Snap DVD. No worries, no problem. You're in Jamaica right now, okay? Money making, baby.
It is what it is. Yeah, y'all looking up that nose. And I hope you breaking bread, cause you might not make it. You got a nice score and we might take it. Wanted to go far, you shouldn't have bought that ticket. The Haiti, son, it ain't the spot to kick it. Before you get your wig split by a fucking midget. And everything we do, dog, is so not legit. And everything we grew for is so not fitting with your everyday principle, not your everyday animals. Don't fight it, cause we be the first to start the riot. Stay quiet, my whole damn country's on the diet. For all my Zoes, man, I'm finna light it. Get myself high, like a fucking pilot. Now look at my flag and then you look at my face. Look at my smile, now just look at my waist. Hoes don't know me and my souls.
Haitian motherfuckers.
Big dough, rolling on the cash.
A lot of cash, baby, a lot of cash.
Hoes don't know me and my souls.